like, comment and subscribe this YouTube channel. Remove forehead wrinkles naturally. Furrow lines on your forehead, also called frown lines, are no longer restricted to old age. Ingredients you need: 1 apple, 1 tablespoon of milk powder, 1 tablespoon of honey. Boil apple and mash it. Add 1 tablespoon of honey and 1 tablespoon of milk powder. Mix them well and apply it on face and neck. Leave it for 15 minutes. After this, wash it off with cold water. Use this remedy 3 to 4 times in a week. Visit billyhealth.com to know more about removing forehead wrinkles naturally.